a whole head of cabbage and half of a large onion. We are making cabbage noodles. Looks like a lot, but it'll cook down. This is our first non-grill smoker cook. I haven't done this in a while, so let's see if I remember how to do it. This is liquid butter. Looks like a lot, but it's not. And there'll be more. Smoked pink Himalayan salt that I smoked myself. Fresh ground pepper. Little canola. Oops. Whoopsie. I'm going to kind of fry this up a little bit, and then we'll add noodles. The absolute best way to make cabbage noodles. Way better than in the house. Alright, now we're going to add the noodles. A little butter. Granola. Should have a nice sizzle. Not as sizzly as I thought it was going to be. The noodles were already pre-cooked, because if not, it would take forever. Start mixing it. Believe it or not, I am not feeding an army. I'm only feeding 6 people. This will serve for my lunch for a few days. The reason why you add butter is because it does drain out the back. So it seems like it's a lot, but it's not a lot. A little more salt. Some pepper. I grind it a little big so you can see all the bits and bobs. kibasi. Some bigger pieces, so how I like them, and some more chopped pieces. Kibasi I keep very simple. A little butter and a little oil, that's it. I'm going to get a little sizzle, a little more sizzle action. Sizzle a little water. Kibasi is pretty much done. There are 2 hot dogs for our little picky eater, Jackson, who's not peeling corn today. The cabbage over on the high side, high temperature side, just to get it a little more crispy. And you know what we need? Butter!
Is it balling or is it falling?
It's balling.
I'm balling.